Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just have a quick little share for you today on this little project I did of making up these little sequin packages. I used sort of different themes and then just made some cute little toppers for them and embellished them a little bit. So I'll go ahead and show you what I've done here. So I started with this one. It's a kind of pink and purple package that I did of the sequins and some different larger kind of shaped type sequins. I made a cute little topper out of some scrapbook paper. Used my fancy edge scissors to bling it up a little. I added some washi tape on there to decorate it and a cute little puffy teacup on this one. So I thought that turned out really cute. Let's see, then another one I did. Here's one with some more kind of whimsical, colorful sequins in here, a little bit of everything. And then I did it's a gold and white topper on there. I used some fancy edge for the bottom. Added some washi tape and another cute little puffy teacup on this one in a different color. I did a couple kind of in a sort of birthday scene themes. This one has, you can see little birthday cakes in there. Let's see, I think little stars in there. And then it's a mix of colors like sort of red, blue, green, and I think there's a little bit of gold in there. And then I just made the topper, added some washi tape on there again, and a cute little donut sticker on this one. Be cute for birthday party. And then another one, I used the blue sequins, and I just kept these ones in the blue themes. I had a package like this with different colors of blues and greens, but I used the blue for this, and put a cute little cupcake sticker on the top of the topper for that one. And yeah, I thought they're really cute. Which one? And then this is the green mix, kind of aquas, pretty mint colors in this one. And it used the washi tape and kind of a pretty yellow and mint green, and had some gold on it. And a cute little cupcake topper on that one. And then the last one I did was this sort of fun package here with lots of different colors in it. And I used kind of this funky little cat sticker on there. He's wearing sunglasses. And some washi tape on there. And this one I did the back as well because the cat face was kind of funny and whimsical. So I put that on there. And yeah, I thought they turned out really cute. And for some of those ones, I just used my package of, it's a spangle mix, it's called. Lots of assorted colors and different shapes. And that was one I had picked up at Walmart for like $3. And there's like so much in there. It's crazy. So lots of things to make with that. And then I did just a couple of little shakers pockets with the same sequins. This one, it has just some pretty kind of pink and peach colored squares on there. A sticker, I put that on there and put the word awesome on there. At the bottom there's a little fish kind of floating around there. And then there's lots of kind of pretty sequins in there. And the back of this one, it has some just kind of girly scrapbook paper in there, and added a few more sequins. And I just stitched across the top to seal them, and added some pretty pink ribbon. And then the second one of that I did was this, says hello on there. And this side has a little sailboat sticker on there in kind of pretty colors with a little silver fish on the bottom. And I think at the top there's a little silver star. And then just the pretty sequins. It reminds you of the ocean sailing. And stitched it across the top again, and then added the ribbon. So I thought those were really cute, and they were fun to do. It's just a quick little craft, but yeah, anyways, I hope you are inspired, and maybe this is something you'll want to do. They'll be great for sticking in your craft swaps or Happy Mail, and yeah, it's a fun thing to do. So I hope you have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.